forged by fire and crafted by hand. Today on Be Chic DIY, we're going to make these beautiful aqua blue glass earrings. Come along with me and see how I do it. Let's go. Hey guys! Welcome to another episode on DIY Be Chic. So today we will be making these beautiful aqua blue glass earrings. Yes, glass. These are made out of pure glass. And so when I say pure glass, yes, they can break. Okay. But we send these out to our customers really wrapped up very carefully with love, and they're given their own jewelry box to make sure they arrive safely, and then so you can restore them again. I mean, when I say restore, you can put them back in their box safely so they don't break on you. But these are so beautiful. The detail of the flower inside, you can see, it's just so gorgeous. And these have like a very light gold speckled background, which adds to that extra sparkle that really brings out the beauty of these earrings. And so I just wanted to come on and show you how do we go ahead and assemble these earrings, because yes guys, these are handmade. Each one of these earrings is handmade. They are specially crafted with glass by hand, which means no two are exactly the same. There's no way to make both of these exactly the same. And you can see there are differences within each of the flowers here. Just look at the way the petals are formed on each one of these. But let's go ahead and put these together. Okay, and so the only tools you're going to need for assembling these earrings are going to be your flat nose pliers, okay, and your round nose pliers. So first thing we're going to want to do is get our jump ring, and let me just make sure the size of it. These are 7mm jump rings right here. And you're going to want to go ahead and just get a good grip on it. I use my flat nose for this. And if you see how I'm holding it like you're gripping something, like you're getting on a motorcycle or something, right? I'm gripping it down. And you're going to get a good grip on that jump ring, okay? And then I'm gripping my round nose pliers in my other hand, okay? And I'm going to grip the other end. So if you look in the middle of this jump ring, here is the split of that jump ring. And I've got one end gripped on with my flat nose, and I'm gripping on the other end of that split with my round nose, and I'm opening them up just like that. Okay, let me get it. I'm trying to get this in camera for you guys, and I'm opening it up just like that. And so now my jump ring is open, and I'm going to go ahead and get my earring, right, my charm, and feed that through. Now if it doesn't fit through because your plier is in the way, then just move your plier and feed on that earring. Okay, now you're not going to close it yet. You're going to leave it like this open, and at the same time you're going to go ahead and get your ear hook. Now these are sterling silver French ear hooks. Okay, we like to use sterling silver on our glass earrings. It helps with sensitive ears. And we are going to feed on our ear hook. Now, most people are like, oh, Leilani, this is so simple to do. You're just feeding on, it's just a jump ring and a hook. Yeah, but guess what? If you put the earring on the wrong way, you'll have the hook facing the opposite direction. So you have to be careful that when you are if your design is facing you, so this is the tip, if your front of your design is facing you, your hook, so this part here, should not be facing you. It needs to be facing away. Okay, so as you can see, I have my hook part facing away from me. Okay, and now let me move this out of the way here because I think this might be in the camera too much. So not facing you. Okay, you want it facing away, just like that. And now you can go ahead and close. See, you can close your jump ring. Make sure it's secure. And there you go. One earring is done. Let's go ahead and do it with the second one again. We have our jump ring. Okay, this is the split of that jump ring. If you can see it, there's the split right here in the middle. I am going to grip one side of that split with my flat nose pliers. I'm going to grip the other side with my round nose pliers, like I'm holding on to bicycle, like I'm holding on a motorcycle handles. I'm going to go ahead and grip the other side, and I'm going to twist it open like so. So my jump ring can be open, okay? Then I'm going to get my charm, and I'm going to have it face me and loop on. And of course, if your tool is in the way, move your tool. I'm going to loop on my jump ring so that the charm is facing me. And then I'm going to get my hook, my earring hook, and I'm going to make sure that the hook part is facing away from me. And go ahead and hook that on. And then I'm going to close my jump ring. And yes, guys, even though I make it look simple on camera, it does take practice closing and opening jump rings. A lot of people are like, oh, it's just so easy. Well, the hard part is not so much the hard part is learning how to manipulate your tools to do what you want, and to give you the desired results. And then the other part is just making sure you're aligning how your tools are going so that you get a secure closure. But there you go. This is another pair in the books. And I believe these are going to Louisiana. So to the customer who purchased this in Louisiana, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And thank you guys for joining us on another episode of DIY Be Chic. Really hoped you liked watching this. I hope I helped you out if you've been struggling on making sure your earrings are assembled correctly. And please, guys, we are building our community over here. We have a goal of getting to 100 subscribers by the end of July. So please like, share, subscribe, tick the bell so you'll receive the notifications every time we put out a new video. And as always, be chic, be happy, and be inspired. Thanks, guys. Love you. Bye.